Good afternoon from the Polynesian Resort here on Walt Disney World property. This weekend we will be staying here at the Polynesian for Lauren's birthday celebration. We have a bungalow on the water. I have not stayed in this room in quite some time. The room is not ready quite yet, so I actually might walk over to the brand new tower, the Island Tower, to go check that out and hopefully go in the hot tub as well. So we got some time before the room is ready. A character bus just pulled up. I think I need to see what this is like because I never experienced a character bus before. Look at that. That is the character bus. Apparently only a select few resorts have the character buses. Alright, so I just spoke with the cast member about the character bus. Apparently, yes, the bus is here, but sometimes it takes a long time for the characters to come out, so I don't know that I really want to waste time. I kind of really want to go check out the new Island Tower. So I might go over there and then I'll come back and see if the characters come out. Ah yes, Disney's Polynesian Resort. I'm excited. There is the Island Tower, the brand new DVC tower at the Polynesian. Here's the pool at the Island Tower. It's a pretty cold day today actually, so not too many people at the pool currently. And the biggest expansion at the Polynesian Island Tower is the Moana splash pad. Look at this beautiful addition. Oh my god, look at this. They just did such an amazing job, and I really like the Moana splash pad edition. But like I said, it's kind of cold this morning, so hardly anyone's in here. It's a great spot for a photo op too. Super nice. They're very nice, and a lot of seating around here too, which is great. So yeah. Super nice and amazing. Just switched over to the GoPro. Oh my god. The hot tub is going to be the full answer this weekend. It feels incredible. Especially that it's going to be a high of 68 today, so this is perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's nice and hot. Wow. Just switched over to the GoPro. Oh my god. The hot tub is going to be the full answer this weekend. It feels incredible. Especially that it's going to be a high of 68 today, so this is perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's nice and hot. Alright, so I kind of want to go under even though you're not supposed to really in the hot tub, they say. Let's do it. That definitely feels a little weird. That felt great. So I actually was just talking to another family and they mentioned the pool actually feels kind of warm. So in a little bit I might go test that out to go see how that feels. But again, the hot tub is going to be the answer to this resort stay. By the way, tonight for dinner, we're also doing Ohana for Lauren's birthday celebration. Very excited for this. It's going to be a great weekend. Just to relax, stay at the resort, and maybe an Epcot trip on Sunday, but we'll see. You know, it's crazy that the fact it's 2 o'clock, it's kind of chilly out. Literally, no one's in the hot tub still. Like, literally, nobody's here. Everyone is in the pool. I for sure thought the hot tub was going to be very busy. And by the way, like I said, this is at the Island Tower, so if you're staying at the Polynesian, you have access to come to Island Tower pool. That's what the cast member told me in the lobby, because I know pool hopping isn't a thing. It's the same resort, but she told me while you have time before your room's ready, go check out the Island Resort. Just opened in December, which I haven't had time to come check it out yet. Beautiful, by the way. I haven't gone inside, but I saw the hot tub was empty. I took full advantage of it and came right to the hot tub first. But wow, this is beautiful. Alright, the hot tub was incredible, but now I'm gonna go check out the pool. Definitely a little chilly above there when you get up, but let's try to get right in the pool. Someone said it's warm, and it actually kind of is. Wow. Not too bad, actually. Very impressed. You have to get under pretty quickly, though. Alright, so I already got in. The pool is actually very well heated, so gonna enjoy it. Wow, very nice. Great temperature, especially coming right from the hot tub into the pool. Definitely a little cold, but because of the above air. But the pool temperature is awesome. This is the pool at the Island Tower Polynesian. This is the pool at the Polynesian Island Tower, the new tower. And the pool temperature is actually really good. But it's just a little bit cold just because I just came right from the hot tub. But other than that, it feels amazing in here. Especially, again, being a little bit chilly above air. It's awesome. And this is actually my first pool of 2025 before my own pool at my complex, because they said that these are heated. So I was like, I'm going to do a Disney pool first for the year because our pools at home are not heated. Amazing. Wow, I absolutely loved the pool here at the Island Tower. The temperature of the water was great. The hot tub was simply amazing. Now I'm gonna go check out the rest of the Island Tower, and I have to show you guys an amazing view real quick. There's the Grand Floridian. As you guys know, I just showed you guys Cinderella Castle. And there's Bailey Tower and the Contemporary. What a view. Look at that. Is that just like a viewing area for the fireworks at night, or just like an area that you could just go chill and hang out? I have to go ask somebody inside what this actually is. But wow, Island Tower is beautiful. You also got some hammocks outside here. So just think about this. You can rock on this hammock and look over at Cinderella Castle. Just taking in these views here at the Island Tower. I haven't even gotten inside yet, and I'm just super impressed. I still have to find out what that opening is. Here's the main lobby over at the Island Tower. Kind of small, but nice seating areas to wait for your room to be ready and such. We also have a nice short walk over to the Polynesian if needed, but there also is a restaurant next door, I believe. Yes. The Walui? The Walu? Okay, I cannot even pronounce that. But there's a bar and grill here. Nice restaurant. There's some pin trading here as well. Nice seating areas. Very, very nice. First time in here. Okay, so I just spoke with the cast members inside. It's called Garden Terraces. They have two facing the front of the resort and then two facing Seven Seas. But you do need a Island Tower reservation to secure a garden terrace. So yeah, it's pretty cool, but look at all the space out here. Like, there is just so much space and seats just to relax. Amazing job on the Island Tower, honestly. So yeah, that open space is called the Garden Terrace, and it's a viewing area, but you do need a Island Tower reservation to claim a spot in there. I assume it gets very busy on this side for the fireworks. There's two on this side and two in the front, she said. Garden Terrace. And then across from the pool here, you have a fitness center for the Island Tower, and a spot to refill your reusable mugs, mug washout, and restrooms, which also include showers and the complimentary soap and shampoo, which I actually just took a shower in there. It was comfortable. Very, very nice. And also too, showcasing how close the Polynesian Resort is to the add-on to the Island Tower. Very close walk, took me maybe about 5 minutes from the main lobby, and they have human chess here and awesome stuff out here. Super cool. So yeah, from the main lobby, about a 5-minute walk or so. If you guys are staying at the Polynesian and you have time, go check out the Island Tower. It is beautiful. Look at Huey, Louie, and Dewey. fitting in the Polynesian theme. And also there's Minnie in the Polynesian theme. Alright, just had a little coffee break. I just love Joffrey's coffee. It just hits very well. Now we just wait for Lauren to get here. It's about 4 o'clock now, and then we have dinner at Ohana at 5:05 p.m. Very excited. That's why I'm wearing this shirt. Alright, Ohana dinner. Alright, we are here at Ohana, and look at the view.
That's why, like, you have to prepare it.
Super cool. Great view.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Cinderella Castle from here.
It's a rookie mistake.
Very nice. Look at that salad and bread. Let's dig in. We have noodles, dumplings. What is it, chicken wings?
Yeah.
And broccoli. These noodles though. So we got beef too with teriyaki pepper sauce. And we got shrimp too. All looks phenomenal. And we even got sweet and sour chicken, which this looks really good.
That's different.
We got a violinist in here. Look at that bird just taking a bath. And he gone. Just like I said. What are you doing?
Back scratcher?
Why do you have that?
That's what this drink is called.
Oh, you got a back scratcher drink. So what's actually in it?
Hog juice.
Uh-oh. Happy birthday. Alright, so for dessert, what do we got?
What was it? Pineapple upside down cake?
Bread pudding?
With, yeah, bread pudding with ice cream and birthday cupcakes.
And birthday cupcakes. Look at that. Happy birthday. That's Future Rich here, so I realized I didn't do a food review of Ohana after we were done eating at the restaurant. It was amazing. The food was so good. Of course, my favorite thing is the noodles though, but everything was good from the chicken to the beef, to the salad, to the pot stickers, to the dessert. Everything at Ohana is amazing for dinner. Now, I totally got confused. I thought there was going to be characters. The characters are only there for breakfast, not for dinner. But it was a phenomenal, so good. For about 2 people, it was $156 total with gratuity, so not bad at all. The food is incredible. You definitely do want to do Ohana if you're staying at the Polynesian or even just have time in general to go check out Ohana. It is highly recommended. You will not be disappointed. Alright, so we just used the pool. It was actually very, very comfortable. But look, we watched the first part of the show from the pool. We just watched the first part of Happily Ever After. See if I can zoom in to see Tink. Let's see if you can see it from here. I got her.
Yeah, no, you can see her. It's crazy.
What a spot though.
Damn.
I love the reflection on the water too.
Mm-hmm.
That's
It's
beautiful. Electrical water pageant. I heard music from my bedroom and I was like, what the heck is that? The electric water pageant. Alright, so that's going to do it from day 1, check-in day. Part 2 will be the room tour of the bungalow on the water here at the Polynesian. I was going to put everything into one video, but I decided to split it up. Alright, check out part 2. This video is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new here, please hit subscribe. Ring that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video is done. I will see you guys in the next one.